Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Noah Beck channel analytics. Noah has uploaded 14 videos. He now has 1.43 subscribers with a total view of 40,583,716 views. He's from US, and he created his channel since July 30th, 2020. The grade he got is B, and his social blade ranking is at 51,768th. The subscriber ranking is 19,662nd, and then video view rank is 223,104th. He ranked at 4,110th in US. Next, the daily subs for Noah is around 6K with a daily view of 495,854. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 496,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $1,984. Then, monthly income will be $59,520. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $32,736 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $392,832. That is how much Noah Beck earns from YouTube.